Pero kinakabahan ako. But God is love. Hello everyone, it's Nicole. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my nursing diaries. But I have to say, nag-shift na ako. So, this is 2 or 3 years ago. Hindi, 2 years lang. This was 2 years ago. And bear with me kasi ang tagal na nito. So, I look different. I talk a little different. But, you know, the Colette will always be there. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy my throwback video. Yeah. Ayun. A lot has changed and more vlogs will come. Okay? Just wait lang kayo. Nag-edit na. But, ayun, it's currently April 15 and Holy Week ngayon. So, I have all the time to edit this and share it with you guys. I already have a different video for next month kasi, you know, next month ko pa siya ma-upload. But I'm already editing it. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And, ayun, this was 2 years ago, Nicole. Bye, enjoy!
Nakapasa na kami sa quiz na hanap. Ang hirap makapasa sa hanap.
May quiz kami guys, kinakabahan kami.
Hindi ako nakabahan.
Ang yabang. Nakatawa talaga ngayon. Pag-isa.
Excel by Teles.
Say hey guys. You're so bloomy on me. Sino? Ikaw.
Aray ko.
Say hi, study buddies. Dapat one day vlog lang to. Pero dahil sabi ko, ang dami ko naman parang magiging crisis. Why not vlog? Diba? When in times of crisis, mag-vlog. Tama ba yun? Hindi. After kasi nito, pupunta na ako sa house ni Lolo. And then, from there, we're going to tax. Kasi, wala ikakasama si Tita Pat. Oh my God! So guys, we're gonna get our scores today. Ready, set, go.
Ano?
Say hi to my vlog.
Oy, hi vlog.
Oy, akala mo close kayo. Look at our, debutant. It's good. I like it. I like it. Hi guys. Meron akong pasok na kasi may event kami sa school, and as you can tell, I am running late. Knock off ko lang si Yats dun sa may bungad ng school kasi uwi pa daw siya. So, I have to do this on my own. Like, I'm on my own kid. But, I'm late, so kailangan maganda ako. This is me pretty. Okay, goodbye. Time to go to school. Support.
Ito na naman si Denise.
Hi! So I just got home, hence the look. Yeah, I had a very long day today. I am excited for tomorrow kasi full of
fun. I like the games tomorrow. I love the games tomorrow. So, enjoy ako bukas. I know it. And I think we're supposed to wear purple because that's our batch color. So, hindi ko alam. Ito lang yung purple ko. It's very, I would say, purple. Ito yung bag ko sa school today kasi may event lang kami. So, hindi naman kailangan ng malaking bag. Okay, so I'm gonna rush and do my makeup because biglaan na kailangan may magawa ng attendance na late ng gising ng secretary namin. So, kailangan ko muna dalian. Chill pa ako kumain dito. Hindi ko naman alam. 8 o'clock yung call time. So, it's 7:42. Diyan lang naman yung building. Pressure ako ng very, very light doon. Pero, basta, parang maganda sa akin. We like have a sports fest. Parang ganun. And then like pageant. Basta ganun. Parang foundation day nung college namin. Okay. Pwede na to. Galing kami ng SM kanina. And I got one thing right here. This is what Michaela got me. This one is a puffer. I really want to have one of these. But they were like, oh, bagay yan sa'yo, girl. Bilhin mo. Pero, ayun, si Michaela bumili. So, thanks so much. After that, I claimed my ticket. I'm gonna go to the show by Niall Horan. So, yeah, I'm excited. Nabili ko siya sa reseller. Pero mura ko siya na-get. And it's legit kasi clean namin siya sa SM. So, shout out Ate Chelsea. Thank you so much. That's it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow kasi wala naman talaga akong gagawin today kundi mag-memorize. Because we have fundamentals of nursing tomorrow. And meron kaming read them the next day. Hi guys! Good morning! I'm on my way to school. Meron kaming read them today. Tapos 7:30 yung pasok ko. It's currently 6:45. And hindi ko alam. Pero kinakabahan ako. But at the same time, parang kaya ko naman. But like, at the same time, scared. I'll see you guys in school. Kasi last day na naman ng pasok namin for the week. What is love, guys? Tinatanong sa amin. Love is luminous. Love is God. God is love. Welcome to my vlog. Today is a Monday, 7:37. Vlogger! So, hindi pa ako nakaban. Kailangan kasi nakaban ako today. So, mamaya na ako mag-ban. Late na nga ako eh. So, pero feeling ko maka-clutch ko naman siya. Bago ko, hindi ako malilate. Clutch time! May school event kasi kami. Ito po ang breakfast natin, no? Kasi ito yung napili ko. Breakfast. Gusto niyo ba ng montage? Hindi ako marunong eh. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye. Life update! 8 o'clock na. Sa kalye pa din ako. I got pickup sea salt, matcha. I also got their croissant. Sarap ng papel. What are you doing? Ako naman, tingin ako.
Yeah.
Ba't sinabi mo pangit yung buhok ko? You're not a girl's girl.
Okay. Cut natin, cut. May pumunta sa shoes niya.
Oo.
Pakita mo shoes mo.
Huwag na, nakakahiya.
Pero mo oh.
Sa ilalim yan. So, we're going to put cover on my cheese max because sightseeing tayo today. Mawa ka naman, nonsense.
Corny.
This is the Q&A that nobody asked for. What is your love language?
Pakitan.
Hindi wala to.
Pero kasama naman tayo lagi.
So, sawa ka na ba sa akin?
Medyo. Ang bait ni Kayla.
Kami wala kayo. What's the cringiest thing you've ever put up on social media? Ako ano?
Ako parang,
Ako
yung mga status ko dati sa Facebook. Yung
Ito sasabihin ko lang, nakakornyan ako sa IG notes.
Ayoko din. Hindi ako nag-ID notes. Parang nagpapaninig ka lang, di ba? Sa
Oo.
sample.
Wala kasi ako Twitter, pero kahit wala akong Twitter, hindi ako nag-IG
I know.
notes. What's your favorite form of transportation?
Denise Car.
Have you ever had a crush on a cartoon character? Ako hindi.
Never.
Character?
Gusto ko kasi yung
hindi-
real life person. Di ba?
What's the best present you've ever received?
Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap
Ako
na
hindi siya present talaga. Ito lang yung car kasi convenient siya. Hindi siya sa akin pero nagagamit ko siya every
Parang
day.
present siya.
Parang siyang present, parang convenience.
Independence. Best present. Independence. Pag kunwari, lumigay sa'yo yung independence ng mas maaga. Parang, di ba feeling mo irrelevant na yung parents mo? Pero hindi. Parang after ng ilang months na, syempre, parang sige ka na dun sa freedom na meron ka. Pero after noon, parang mamimiss mo din sila. So, dun, babalik ka din sa bahay.
Yung independence for me, parang recently lang din siya nung nag-college lang ako.
Oo,
Parang hindi lang pero hindi kasi, pero makulit kasi ako, pag tuwing uuwi ako, tatawagan ko yung nanay ko. Hindi, kahit parang late na kasi kami umuwi, as in yung uwian namin late na. So, bago ako umuwi, pagkaalis ko na school, automatic yung tatawagan ko yung kapatid ko, or si mom, or si dad, mostly si mom. So, yeah, parang, sa tingin ata ng mga tao, pag nag-college ka, parang, you have all the time.
Oo,
Ganon.
parang
hindi siya
dati.
ganon. Hindi siya ganon.
yung parang super matured ka na.
Oo,
pero
hindi talaga.
parang different.
Honestly, nung nag-college, parang mas gusto mo na lang lagi umuwi. Tsaka mas nakakatakot pag college parang wala na yung parang high school na, ma'am, yung student ko
Oo,
po,
wala.
nahihirapan sa inyo, kaya pwede pa tulong. Low survival mode, oh.